What today's date? 2000,
Pronounce this.
2081
Niraja, pronounce
02
this for me, please.
20. Oh, 02 20. And today is Sunday, right? Which day is today? Sunday. Every day is a lovely day. Don't say. Somebody they say. Some people they say Sunday is a fun day. Why is Sunday is fun day? Every day is Sunday. If you think study is fun, you can learn, you can understand much better. Yes or no? And I think the students of grade 8 are paying too much attention in their studies. This time nobody failed in science. And they have these are very good marks also. And if you continue same spirit, your GPA also will be high, your grade also will be high, and your status in your school, in your society, in nation also will be high. That's why continue same effort, or if possible you can increase also. In which sector you are a bit weak, improve that sector, you will be more genius. Sit in the side, boy. I told you to keep the bag at the center. We are going near to the Riti Canal. So Sunday, and today is this is second period, right? Second period. At first, presentator of today will present. We will discuss on it. Then I will give you some work to do, and side by side, I will give duty for next presentator to present tomorrow. So there must be presentation from students, at least one student every day. Understood or not? Whether we complete the course, syllabus or not. So our aim is to complete at least first 4 chapters for first term examination. That is the syllabus. Remember, what are the first 4 chapters? Scientific learning, information and communication technology, living beings and their structure, and biodiversity and environment. So every day presentation, discussion and practice. PDP. What is that? Presentation, discussion and practice. Understood or not? And don't forget to write with very nice handwriting. Some students' handwriting is very good. Give them a big round of applause. Our clap in your hand. Okay. If their handwriting is not so much good, please start improving right now onwards. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. Right now. Okay. Without wasting time, let me welcome on the stage today's presentator, Abhisha Dubadi. Your sitting posture must be correct. Make bag money straight, everyone.
So what to do? Open.
Email she has sent. I want to remind you also. So this is her email. Abhisha Dubadi. Dear sir, I have sent an attachment of the presentation about nucleus and its relation. One, I think she might have sent this email 2 times, right?
Yeah.
That's why it came where 1. Means at first he sent 1 email, again it is sent second time. I think sometimes what will happen, they do not attach the file and they just become hero-like structure, come to school and say, sir, I have sent the email. And when we check here, there is nothing. Okay, please.
Namaskar everyone, good morning to you all. It's me Abhisha Dubadi from grade 8, standing in front of you to present about nucleus and parts of nucleus, nuclear membrane, nucleolus, nucleoplasm. Nucleus. A nucleus is a small round and membrane-bound structure found in cell. Nuclear is mostly small, round, or spherical in shape, in which
Now you can come this side because you are lefty. It will be easy, right? Yes. If you are the right.
it is mostly circle or spherical in shape, which is a small, which is found in membrane-bound structure, and it's something like this. Here is in nucleus we can find a thread-like structure. And this is mostly known as chromatin.
Zoom.
And nucleus, membrane, it controls cell growth and reproduction as it contains cells, hereditary information, and it is covered by dual layer called a nuclear membrane. As I said, this is the nuclear membrane. Which is covered by a dual layer. It is known as the dual layer 2. Parts of a nucleus. As you can see, I have already drawn the figure. These are nucleopores.
Sumit Khandka.
These are nucleoplasm, rough endoplasmic reticulum, chromatin, nucleolus. They are the parts of the nucleus, main parts of the nucleus. Nuclear membrane. Okay. Nuclear membrane. A nuclear membrane is a double layer that encloses the cell nucleus. It is known as the double layer that encloses the cell nucleus, where the chromosomes reside. The nuclear membrane serves to separate the chromosome from the cell, cytoplasm, and other contents. As you can see, this is the nuclear membrane. Nucleoplasm. It is a type of protoplasm that is composed of thick fluid and constitutes. It is a type of protoplasm that is composed of thick fluids and constitutes. Chromatin fibers made up of DNA and usually found in nucleus of the eukaryotic cells. This fluid contains primarily water, desorption, and a complex mixture of molecules. The nucleus is the largest structure. It is the largest structure found in nucleus, which is in the nucleus of eukaryotic cells. It is best known as the site of ribosome biogenesis, which is synthesis of ribosomes. The nucleolus also participates in the formations of signals, recognition particles, and it plays a very important role in the cell's response to stress. Functions of nucleus. These are some of the functions of the nucleus. It regulates the cells. It regulates the cell cycle. It controls the metabolic activities. In nuclear animals, it helps in reproduction. And unicellular animals, it helps in reproduction. The genes present in the DNA of chromosome are helpful in transmission of characters from parents to offspring. Genes is the heredity that is used from the parents to the offspring. Offspring means a baby, and that's it.
One more slide, maybe.
Oh, sorry. Relationship between cell, tissues, organs, and systems. Cells, tissues, organs, and system are interrelated in each multicellular organisms. The cell organized to form tissues and make up organs to make up the body system. It is a hierarchical system by which small building blocks make up large materials. I think this is it. Yeah, so it's fine.
Thank you. Check out that also. Give me. Abhishek.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, so there is one saying, practice makes man perfect. So students, they are doing their work very effectively, and the presentation is already here. So she has brought presentation about one part of cell. What is that? Nucleus. Nucleus is also called brain of cell. What do you call it? Brain of cell. And children, side by side, let me tell you, have I given you duty to present tomorrow? No. These question answers not given? No. Not given, because today question answer is over, right? If so, now let me give the duty to these students. Okay, now let me start like this. What is your roll number? 2. Roll number 3? Okay, for you, multiple choice questions only. Here are 6 questions, that is all, eh? Yes. Then after yours, which one? Mohan, distinguish between. Here are altogether 6 questions, so only 3 questions you have to do. 3 distinguish between you will do, okay? And 3 will be done by next roll number. Which roll number is next? Rakshak. Mohan will do ABC, you do DEF, okay? Because if little work is given, everybody will get chance to perform the activity. Who is after Rakshak? Sarvani. Question answers, altogether there are 9 questions. 5 for you, okay? A, B, C, D, E. 3, A, B, C, D, E. Clear? After Sarvani, whose turn? Eric. Your duty is to write the answers of F, G, H, I. F, G, H, I. And make slide and send, okay? After Eric, whose turn? Nisha. Altogether there are 5 questions. 3 questions are for you. Okay, 3, A, B, C, long questions. And after Nisha, whose turn? Others. For others, 4, D and E. Question answer, okay? D and E. Finished. Now, after others, whose turn? Jane. Here are give reasons, altogether 7 questions. 7 questions means 4 for you. A, B, C, D. Please mark it. Why do you need that pencil to keep nearby your nose? Are you class captain or not? With some quality, hey boy. And afterwards, whose turn? Priyansi. Your duty is to do E, F, G. Is that okay? Now here are diagrammatic questions. So that diagrammatic question will be discussed today. Then I will give you tomorrow, because whose turn is there after Priyansi? Eunice. For Eunice, it has been given this diagrammatic question we will discuss then only, okay? So up to Priyansi, the dose is over. Yes or no? But you have Eunice, and who is after Eunice? Prayas, and next? Tenzing. So they may get, and fourth one? After Tenzing, which one? Yeah, Amrit. Here are 6 A, B, C, D. So they will get A, B, C, D accordingly. Less work I will give you. so that they can prepare their slide on time and submit. Shall we continue here? What is this?
Yes, sir.
Presentation of Avisha Dubadi. She has brought the lovely diagram also. This is the diagram of nucleus. Nucleus is also called the brain of cell. Why? It controls the functions of all other parts. If nucleus is taken out from cell, then the cell does not function at all. Like the brain is taken out from our body, then other organs will they function? They do not function. Here the same thing. And nucleus contains mainly 4 parts. This outermost part, what is this? Nuclear membrane. And she said double layered. So outer layer, next layer. 2 layers are here, not? Double layer membrane. Double layer membrane, and it protects. Nuclear membrane, it protects the inner part of the nucleus. Yes or no? And it separates cytoplasm and nucleus. Right? Next one is a bit hard part is here. This one. What is it called? It is a bit dense, a bit solid part. That is called nucleus. And here are pores also. What is this? What are the pores called? Nuclear pores. What do you call them? What do the nuclear pores do? They allow substance to enter and exit. Enter and selective substances. Okay? Not everything. Selective substances enter and exit. Then here is a thread-like structure. The thread-like structure present in nucleus is called chromatin fiber. What is called? Or when it becomes visible, we call it, what is it called? We call it chromosome. When they are coiled, not so much clear, that is called chromatin fiber. But during the time of cell division, when the cell is going to divide, they become visible, and what do you call them? Chromosome. Chromosome contain, what does it contain? DNA contains genes. What does it contain? The genes carry parents' characteristics to offsprings, babies. And here is fluid. Here is some fluid present in the nucleus. What is this fluid called? This is called what do you call it? Nucleoplasm. So, the 4 parts of nucleus are, keep your hand down, Kishore. What are 4 parts? Nuclear membrane, nucleolus, chromosome, and nucleoplasm. Nuclear plasm. Okay? These things you have to remember. And next one is, here are some functions of nucleus. Functions of nucleus. So, how many functions are given? Number 1, nucleus regulates the cell cycle. Cell cycle means at the beginning the cell is smaller in size, right? Slowly it grows, and when it becomes mature, again it divides. New cell is formed. So that is cell cycle. Smaller, bigger, again smaller, bigger, smaller, bigger. Okay? What is the second one? It controls metabolic activities. Here metabolic activities means activities like respiration, digestion, excretion, reproduction. These are called metabolic activities. They are controlled by nucleus. And what is the third point? In unicellular animals, it helps in reproduction. Amoeba, it divides and forms 2 amoebae because of nucleus, right? Directly it is produced. And what is the last one? The genes present in the DNA of chromosome are helpful in transmission of characters from parents to offsprings. In chromosome, what are present? DNA. And in DNA, what is present? Genes. And these genes transmit parents' characteristics to offsprings or babies. We are similar to our parents or not? is because of genes. The genes contain the characteristics. And here is given relationship between cells, tissues, organ and system. Cell is the basic unit, right? When different cells combine together, what is formed? When many tissues combine together, and when many organs combine together, organ system, right? And what are the different organ systems present in our body? Digestive system, respiratory system, urinary system, reproductive system, muscular system, skeletal system, right? Those systems contain few organs, a bit more tissues and billions of cells, right? In that way we have to remember. And for better functioning of that particular system, all the cells, tissues and organ must work effectively. Sometimes you might have heard about organ failure. Have you heard about organ failure? Organ failure means organ doesn't function at all. Eyes. These organs are responsible for sight or vision. But if some parts of eyes are damaged, if some tissues do not function, then the eye also may not function. Some of the children, are they using spectacle or not? Why do they use spectacle? Because some tissues of eye are not functioning well. Understood or not? So this thing we have to keep in mind. Alright? Okay, once again, thank you Abhisha. And tomorrow, exercise solution presentation, right? So everybody must prepare the slide with correct answers. Understood or not? Now you must solve yourselves also. Now children, once again read the chapter. Today's presentation you read it and start making note. Understood? Thank you.